Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Airalo app not working. So if your Airalo app is not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, launch open Play Store. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for Airalo. Tap on search button. Find the Airalo app and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see option for uninstall and update. Since my app is already updated, I see open option instead of update option. If your app is not updated, you'll be able to see the update option and all you have to do is tap on it and your app will be updated. The next thing that you can do is go to settings. Under the settings option, find the storage option, tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to go to apps, simply tap on apps. Now find Airalo app. After finding Airalo app, simply tap on it. Now here you'll be led to this kind of interface where you can see option for clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on clear cache option. Since my cache is already cleared, my clear cache option is not enabled. But if your clear cache option is enabled, simply tap on it and your cache will be cleared. After following these simple steps, your Airalo app must start working now. So that is how you fix Airalo app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.